There's a quote by Jim Carrey, and it says, "Our eyes are not viewers, they are also projectors." In the instance he's talking about projecting fear and cowering away from a circumstance because you're projecting what could happen badly. But I've always heard that and interpreted it as exactly what you guys see on this channel all the time. Most recently, we've done the Jeep. When I got that thing home, I told you guys, I'm like, this is an ugly shoebox. A Wrangler just isn't something nice to look at. A lot of people just don't care about them. But I had a vision for that Jeep, and I told you guys, to be honest, in stock form, they're not the coolest thing ever, but like, I can already just envision what this thing will be, and it's gonna be insane. Because in my mind, it was already there. I already had it at the place where it is right now, then I could see it. And you guys couldn't, but I knew it was there, and I projected that into reality. Same thing with like this garage or whatever you want to take into account, any progression I've made in my life. It's all been something I've seen and then I have manifested into a reality. And his quote doesn't necessarily talk about it in that way, but that's something that I have always heard that quote and thought about it in the way of what I just explained to you guys. There might be a better quote for it, I don't know. If you guys take away anything from today's video, take that away, because I used to say this a lot more when I had just started YouTube, but I'm just a regular guy like you guys. And any of you guys that see me at the gym or whatever, at car shows or wherever we meet, you just know I'm a regular dude. But I have these things because I manifested them, and I wanted them, I went after them, and I got them. Not because I sat around waiting for someone to hand them to me. That's what I want you guys to take away from this video, if you take away anything. I took a long time to decide to make this video. I didn't necessarily know if it really should happen or not, but I've always tried to keep you guys up to date with what is going on, and I feel like I kind of owe this to you. I told you guys when Chris went back to his job that I was struggling to find out what I wanted to do with myself and where I wanted to go and what was gonna be next. I guess I started YouTube for fun, and it was fun, and it was me working on my cars, and I always wanted the vision, the end goal. But I've never truly loved the process. I can remember working on Emerson's 240 and telling myself in my head, like, just get through this. When it's done, this car is gonna be sick. And I guess that's the problem. When I started doing this, I didn't really think of it as a mechanic. I thought of it as like a YouTube job, hanging out with my friends, whatever it was. Years have gone by. I'm extremely grateful for everything that I've achieved and everything that you guys have helped me, you know, build and create, but I don't love the process. And that's a problem. I love to work. I wake up and that's what I want to do. I want to do something. I want to do anything. I don't like not being able to do stuff. That's why you guys hear me bitch and complain about winter, and I just want to do stuff. It's been hard, and I've been having kind of like an identity crisis, I guess you could call it. And what's interesting is when I started feeling this way, a lot of other people, like big YouTubers, were saying they were feeling the same way. And it all kind of happened at the same time. And I think COVID played a part. None of us saw that happening, the COVID thing actually affecting us as YouTubers. I feel like I put so much into my channel and you guys in my cars, and I was living through them. And when I took that month off, I had no idea who I was. I had no idea. Like, when I wasn't doing this, I didn't know what to do. And something else that you guys are very well aware of, and you remember I also said that in the video where I said that Chris went back to his old job, is I've moved a lot. I do a lot of stuff. I don't like being stable. I don't like sitting around. I don't like being in the same place, and I don't like doing the same thing. My ADHD ass needs new things all the time, and I need to learn all about them, and that's what makes me feel good. As it stopped being with friends and fun, and it came to just basically a job, while most people that don't understand this might think that's what you do it for, you want to do something that you love the process of. I feel like this video could have gone in many different directions, and I could sit here and explain to you guys, you know, what it is I hate or love, or it doesn't matter. The point is, I need to experience more of life and other things and different areas of myself and the world and just different stuff. This channel's not going anywhere. It'll always be here. You guys can always watch the old videos, and there will always be new videos. I want this to be for fun again. I want to, that big ass box that's been in my corner for like a month, I want to wake up and be like, I cannot wait to put this on and come out here and film a video for you guys and post it. A lot of people are super comfortable in their ways, and they just film videos and work on cars, and that's cool with them. And I wish I could be that. I wish I could. I can't. It doesn't work for me. And you guys have seen that. You guys see me go through different phases. I always try to keep it relevant and keep it for you guys, but like there's only so many I can do. We only get one life, literally just one. And like, you could say you love stuff and whatever, but I feel like you need to experience things, and that's what I want to do. So I just want to take a chance in this video to thank every single one of you guys that has ever watched a video, liked a video, subscribed to the channel, purchased some Committed Crew gear, in whatever format that you guys have participated in this channel. I wanted to thank you guys, and I wanted to just tell you this so that you don't think I'm ghosting you for the next month if you don't see me. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I need time to figure it out, and doing YouTube full time is incredibly hard to figure out what you want to do because it's extremely consuming. So spring is here. The cars are out. I haven't stopped filming this whole time. It's like, I got things I've been doing. If there's something you're after, something you want to do, chase it and stay committed to it, because that is how I got here. And I'm here. Whether you're staying committed to yourself and your beliefs or your diet, whatever it is, a lot of people have met me and said, yo, I really listened to what you were saying when you say stay committed, and I applied it and it crazily changed stuff for me. Because right now I'm trying to stay committed to me and finding something that fulfills me and makes me feel fulfilled at the end of every day. And I wish it was this, because I love you guys, but I want this to be fun again. I want this to be fun, high, good vibe. And if it's not, I don't want to do it. So I will still try to post maybe once a week, maybe once every other week. I don't know. I still have tons of parts to put on these cars. I still have cars I still want to buy and build. And it's not like I'm telling you guys, it's not going to be over. I just want you guys to understand where I am. If you don't see me as much or whatever the case, I don't really know what that means. I don't know what the future looks like. And that's the best part. That is the most exciting thing. I've been able to see my future for a while doing YouTube. I'm really excited that I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I have no idea. I love it, you know? There's definitely some stuff I had on my phone here that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Oh, there's another quote. I think this one's good and then I'm gonna leave. You can fail at what you don't want, so you might as well take a chance on doing what you love. Simply put, you could be a mechanic at a dealership and you don't want to be a mechanic, and you could work at that mechanic's position for 10 years and then they could fire you one day, and there could be no more mechanics work for you, and you could be out of work and out of a job, and it could be hard and you could have a struggle. And so if you could fail at doing something you don't even really want to do, why the f are you not just trying to get what you really want and what you dream of? Chase it and don't give up on it and just keep going. And when you feel like you've been doing it for so long and no one cares, you have to keep doing it. Stay committed to whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, and you will get it. We did let go of Jasmine. Extremely sad day, I know, but like the whole motor swap, and I needed to rebuild half the car physically, like the shell, and just so much needed to happen, and I wasn't enjoying the process. I told you guys, I had to let it go. And to be honest, it feels really good. I've let go of so much lately, some of which you guys know I had, some of which you guys didn't even know I had, but I've just been letting go, and it feels amazing, and it feels light, and I feel like I don't have anything weighing me down. Anyways, those are my 2 quotes that I wanted to give you guys, and this video is probably dragging on. That's all I got for you guys, man. I don't know what the future's gonna bring. I'm pumped for it. And like I said, we're not going anywhere. We're gonna be here. We're just gonna be a little bit lighter on the schedule. We're gonna not really have a schedule. We're gonna do stuff when we want to. I don't know what that means. This is Robbie Ferreira's car channel. It will always be that. When I do exciting car things, I'm gonna post them for you guys. I don't wanna hear anything other than you guys are staying committed, chasing your dreams, and achieving crazy success. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for everything. I don't know, I feel like I should be sad, but I'm happy. I'm really happy. So, peace out, stay committed.